Why is ginger tea so good for you? Well, for starters, it's like a Swiss Army knife of health benefits. It's anti-inflammatory, great for digestion, and full of antioxidants. It's wild how one little root can do so much. Imagine waking up in the morning with a sore throat, congested sinuses, or even nausea. Ginger tea feels like a warm, comforting hug that also happens to kick your symptoms in the teeth. That's its secret power. If you have stomach issues, ginger tea is your best friend. It stimulates digestion by increasing saliva and bile production. This small change helps reduce bloating and nausea, and yes, your gut will thank you. Here's a number for you. In a study with 1,278 pregnant women, ginger reduced nausea in 80% of cases. Whether you're dealing with morning sickness or motion sickness, this stuff works like a charm. Got joint pain? Ginger tea's anti-inflammatory properties can reduce aches and stiffness. It's like a Motrin you brew in your kitchen, except it doesn't punch your stomach lining in the face. A fun fact that often gets overlooked, ginger tea can help regulate blood sugar. That's great news if you're pre-diabetic or just trying to keep your energy consistently up throughout the day. Have you ever felt a cold or flu creeping in? Drinking ginger tea can actually give your immune system a boost with its antiviral and antibacterial properties. It lowers your sick days, statistically. The antioxidants in ginger tea are like tiny bodyguards for your cells. They battle oxidative stress, which can help lower your risk of chronic diseases. Think of it as investing in your future self. Here's a pro tip. Combine ginger with lemon and honey. It amplifies the health benefits and tastes amazing. Plus, lemon adds vitamin C, and honey has antimicrobial properties. That trio, absolute rock stars together. If you've ever felt sluggish, ginger tea has a mildly stimulating effect. No caffeine crash to worry about either. It's just a clean and subtle energy boost that feels almost too good to be true. You might wonder if it's hard to make. It's not. Slice a piece of fresh ginger, boil it in water for 10 minutes, strain, and you're done. It's like the easiest DIY superfood ever. And honestly, Portland's rainy days make ginger tea hit differently. You drink it, feel its heat travel down, and think, wow, I might be able to power through anything today. Try it. It's that good.